welcome to Jude's Tuesday Tip. Today we are going to make a whole wheat crepe. And this job calls for a stove project, so only help little kids or let big kids do it. Okay, let's get started. 1 1/4 cup of flour, 1 3/4 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 squirt of honey, and 3 eggs. But I already cracked the eggs, so yeah. And it's really easy because you can just throw all of them in. Now that it's cooled for an hour, let your parents turn on the oven to medium. You gotta put the butter on your pan every 10 times you make a crepe, and a little under 1/4 of a cup. Swirl it until the crepe juice covers the whole bottom. It has to be soft and hard. You know when it's done when the edges start to peel up. I like to fill it with cinnamon sugar. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.